So this video is for the Canary release, and we have already 4 servers running checkbox, and our proxy is currently not running here. So what we are going to do, we are going to first start the proxy which will load balance across the 4 servers, and then we are going to push some new code, a broken code, which will create a new instance and deploy it, and it's going to load balance across 5 machines. So let's hit the API here. So as you can see, it's load balancing across all the 4 servers, 87, 154, 66, 19, and again back to the 87, 154, 66, then 1987, then 154, 66, 1987, 154, 66, 1987. So we are now going to push some new changes here, and we are just going to make this code broken so that when the load balancer hits this, it's going to return with a 500 error, which the load balancer is going to track. And if the error becomes more than the threshold, the load balancer will remove the Canary server. So we'll just make this true. We'll do git add git commit broken code git push. So currently no jobs are running here, and when we are going to push, it's going to trigger a new build checkbox and then deploy checkbox. So here 5 builds are there only, and I'm going to push it now. So this has pushed the code, and Jenkins is going to start a new build on that. So we'll see if the Jenkins job has started or not. So it is in the pending state here. So this will deploy the new broken code here, create a new EC2 instance again. So the new Canary has been released on this given IP 62.686, and we will again see, and the load balancer is running already here. So we will just go there and hit the API again and see if the newly created server has the load balancer redirects the new request to the newly created broken server. So as you can see, it hits the broken server here, and you can see the message here also looks like something is broken, and the count has been incremented each time there's an error, so it gives a 500 status score. So we have put the threshold on 4. If there are more than 4 errors, the server is going to be removed from the load balancer. So let us hit this endpoint a few more times. So as you can see here, the broken server the threshold has been increasing, and you can see the error as well. So let us do it a few more times, and you can see here in the proxy that this server has violated the terms and the server has been removed. So you will not see this server anymore now with the 62.86 suffix, and there will be no error here as well on the browser. So let us hit this a few more times. So as you can see, the server has been removed, and only you are seeing all the servers which are uh, giving proper, which are handling the request properly. So as you can see, 62.86 is not anymore into the load balancer. I'll hit it a few more times. So this is how the Canary works. Thank you.